Chichiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He kokako. He kokako.
That's right, it's Kokako. What colour, Thai, is the wattle on her face?
Kikorangi. Blue.
Ai, kikorangi, blue. Kokako can only fly short distances. Mostly they like to hop around on the ground and in the trees looking for things to eat. But today I think they want to do some dancing.
Ooh, yay!
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani dance and waiata sing with us?
Me kani, me waiata, yay! Matike, maranga, tutai omoe na e hoama. Matike, maranga, nenti matatata kite kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka oma tino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to i huroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga, ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e huama? Matike, maranga. Ooh.
What is that Kokako has given to you?
Awa.
Tākaro tribe. That's Papa Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what Kokako gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, wakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau.
Did you enjoy dancing with the kokako?
Aira.
Tauke, awesome. I see you've brought something along with you. Do you know what it is?
Awa.
How many pito, points, are on it?
Tahi, rua, toru, wha, ringa.
Do you know a waiata about it?
Tirama, tirama ngā whetū, kei te pehea koutou, kei runga akera, he tai mana torite. Tirama, tirama ngā whetū, kei te
That's right. It's a whetū.
Whetū! Whetū! Yay!
Okay, awesome. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He kakariki. That's my colour. He tapawha kakariki.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. The tamariki are learning about whetū from their kaiako, teacher. Time to make some art. Paint, glitter, a tārua. Ka kite anō ia koutou.
Whetū!
Did you know the word whetū has the letter T in it?
Te!
Shall we learn how to write the letter T?
Ai!
T. We begin with a straight line down in the middle, and then we go back up, then a line across the top. Kapai. Let's do it again. Straight down the middle, then a line across the top. T.
Yay!
Tauke. Awesome. I hear Koka calling you. Time for you all to visit Koka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka!
What did you learn about today?
Whetū!
Whetū. Let's learn to spell it.
E?
Do you think we need an E?
I! E!
Do you think we need an E?
Cow?
Look, a T. Do you think we need a T?
Need a T? I! K?
Do we need a K?
Cow?
Do we need a F?
I! N?
Do you think we need a M?
Cow?
Do you think we need an U?
I!
Seno pai. Very good. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Fetsu. What sound does the word begin with?
F.
Tino pai. Fe. Now try sounding out the word fetsu.
F. E. Two.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
F. E. Fe. T. O. Two. Fetsu.
Did you spell the word fetsu?
F. E. Two. Fetsu. Yay!
Tino pai. Very good. I knew you could do it.
It's a star, Hefetu. It shines up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Fetu. It's a fetu.
What a fun day, Tagaroa tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tagaroa tribe. Titiro, here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tagaroa tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Good night.